In this video, I will show you how to delete conversations on Facebook from both sides. It's quick and easy. Let's begin. Open Messenger app. Tap the conversation you want to delete. Now, tap on the message that you sent and hold for a moment. And a pop-up will appear. Next, tap More. Now, tap Remove and hit the delete icon next to Unsend. Next, tap this text. You send a message. Tap Remove. Next, tap Remove for you. Tap Remove again. This is how you can delete a single message from both sides. If you want to delete all messages from a conversation, then do this for each message you have sent. When you finish, tap the back arrow icon and tap the conversation again and hold for a moment. Next, tap Delete. Tap Delete again and the conversation will be deleted. That's it. This is how you can delete a conversation on Facebook from both sides. Hope the video helped you. Please like the video, it helps me. Thank you.